Hey guys, just wanted to share with you my latest tool pickup. What we have here is, it's called a Mega Square, made by Fireball Tools. It's a pretty unique tool, specifically made for welders, but anybody else out there, whatever project you got, I think this would be a very useful tool. That's one of the things I look for in a tool is, how many different ways are you able to use it? Is it well made? And I think this has it covered. So this is the aluminum version of the Mega Square. They also make it in cast iron. I chose the aluminum for its heat sinking abilities. It's lightweight and it does not rust. So where I live, things can get kind of rusty. So it comes with these 4 tabs here, along with the bolts to fasten into these holes that they got drilled and tapped all the way around here. And one thing I like about that is that you can have a piece resting up against the side, or any side that you pick to work off of, and you can rest it up against those tabs, and you know everything is flat and squared off, and at a 90-degree angle. So all these sides are machined flat all the way around, and on this surface and this surface, and on the other side too. Another good thing about this is that you can clamp onto these too. You've got a piece on the outside, you can clamp onto it right on here. Also areas right here you can pass a clamp through as well. So let's just take a closer look at it. Try to get some angles or some views for you guys out there. But Fireball Tool USA, it's good stuff right there. But let's stand it up, just take a closer look. I say it's machined flat and square all the way around, and then flip it around, same thing on the other side pretty much. So a lot of uses for a tool like this, and it's not too heavy. Like I said, it's aluminum, so it's not going to be really heavy, but it's easy enough to move around, but it still has enough heft to where you can really clamp something onto it. It's not going anywhere. So alright, there it is. Just wanted to share that with you. Hey, if you're interested in it, just check out Fireball Tools. They're killing it lately, and I think they have a real winner on their hands here with this Mega Square. But alright, like and subscribe, but I hope you enjoy. Later.